may want to use an existing online test for use in your class. This video shows how to find, modify, and assign an existing online test from your test library. To access, select Assessment on the main menu. On the Assessment page, select the Assign Test from Library button. Your test library lists all the tests available in your program. This includes all the online tests provided by McGraw-Hill Education and any tests you have created. To see the tests for a specific course, select My Tests and select the course name. This lists the tests that have been created for each lesson. Search for a specific test by filtering the results by test metadata. Select the Filter button and specify the subject, grade level, and any additional options on the pop-up. Then select the Apply Filters button. You can also search for a particular test by test title, the subject, or grade level by entering the information in the search field above the test list. Once you have located the desired test, you can assign it as is. In other words, with the same questions and test settings as the original. If you plan on making changes, it's a good idea to make a copy of the test. This way you can make changes to the test and still preserve the original. Select Copy Test on the Tools menu next to the test. Create a name for your new version of the test and select the Create Copy button. Your copy now appears as a new test at the top of your test library. To make modifications, select the test title. The current list of test questions appears. To edit the test settings, select Edit Test Settings on the Options menu. Change the grade level, display options, and answer viewing as you want. Select the Submit button to save your new settings. You can work with the current list of test questions as much as you want. To edit a specific question, select Edit on the Tools menu next to the question. Modify the question as you want, and select the Save Question button to save your changes. To add new questions to your test, select the Add New button. You have the option to create your own question or select one from the existing question banks. As you add questions, they are added to the question list. To remove questions, select Remove from Test from the Tools menu next to the question. Drag and drop the question titles to change the question order. Select the Preview button to look at the test as it will appear to your students. To assign the test, select the Assign to Class button. Select how you want to schedule the online test for your students. You can turn the test on and off manually to have students take the test during class, or you can schedule the test on the calendar so students can go in and take the test at any time during the indicated period. The test is assigned to all the students in the current class by default. To select particular students, select the All Students link. You can select specific students by name or filter by their current grade. Select Choose Students to assign this test to the current selection. Select the Assign to Class button. The test now appears in the current list of assigned tests for this class. This concludes our guide to working with online assessments in your test library. Be sure to refer to other help materials for more information about the Open Court Reading Program.